So in previous class we have completed company creation, company code creation, credit control area, then fiscal year variant we have created, and another one is functional area. Under those topics we have completed, it comes under the enterprise structure. So we have completed define company, define credit control area, define company code, and functional area. So today we are going to cover what is business area and what is the cause of business area, why we will create those business areas, and why SAP standard has given this facilities to create the business area. And nowadays, in which type of project they are using business area, and apart from business area, what they are using. All those things we will discuss in this class. Then after that we will do that consolidation business area. What is consolidation business area? And posting period variant, we will say that. So before going to the system, doing the practical work and creation of a business area and consolidate business area, before I want to discuss what is business area. It's a theoretical part. A business area is an organization unit with an accounting that represent a separate area of operations and responsibilities in a business organization. It means what? You are creating one company and company code. As previously we have discussed that the day-to-day transactions, whatever we will do the transactions, we will perform those transactions in the particular company code. And under one company, we can create multiple company codes as per the requirement of the clients. Like that, the business area is also a separate entity like a company code. For example, I want to give one example that under one company code, your company was created in Bhubaneswar or Cuttack. In Cuttack, one company code is created. In Cuttack, there are different districts are there. Cuttack is a Odisha is a state. Under Cuttack is a district. Under district, there are number of places like some different places are there. So there are some cities or towns are there under district. So in a separate 2 or 3 district or a town, you want to expand your business. For expanding those business under that company code, you will not create such company codes again to assign the company code, because if one company code created in a Cuttack, and under that if you will create in different town and cities another company code, you are unable to assign that and you will not get the consolidated report. So for this, SAP was given a facility that is called business area. If under one company code, Cuttack city, you was in a Cuttack district, you have created one company code, you are performing one company code. Under Cuttack, there is a number of towns or cities are there, you want to expand that business. So you can create those business area under that. And keep in your mind that those business area was not assigned to any company code. At the time of doing transactions, under which company code we have to keep which business area is mandatory, there are multiple options are there. We will perform that options and I will explain you that option, how those business area we can do the mandatory under one company code. In OBY6 screen, there is an option to keep the business area mandatory. Otherwise, we can keep those business area under profit center. Whenever we are giving a profit center, automatically that business area will come. Or we can set through the validation rule. That is, the validation rule is there. We can set the validation rule. So whenever we will go to that topic, what is validation and what is substitution, we will discuss regarding that. So now we are discussing what is business area. So for more clear, I want to give another one example. Your company is in one state that is called Odisha. under Odisha, in different districts, you have a multiple business. You want to expand your business, or your business has been expanded. So you, in this situation, you will not create multiple company codes under the district. In this situation, you can create the multiple business areas. You can create those business areas and get that report under one company code. For this, and now particularly, I am telling you one thing. Business area represents separate areas of operations within an organization and can be used across company codes. They are balancing entities that can create their own set of financial statements for internal purposes. Just you need to enable business or financial statement by T code OBY6. Here it is telling they are balancing entities that can create their own set of financial statement for internal purposes. Just you need to enable business area in the financial statement. As I told previously, at the time of doing the transaction in a particular company code, if you want to enable, means do the field that without business area we cannot perform any transaction, day-to-day transaction. So for this, we have to go to the one T code that is called OBY6, and we have to click that option to get the business area filled as a mandatory. To evaluate transaction figures for each business area, and it's optional to use. It's optional to use. Business area is not mandatory. If requirement is there, most of in the Indian business, the client need to use that business area. As I worked in international project and Indian project, domestic project, I also work. But in the international project, they are not using the business area. Instead of business area, they are using the profit center. But they will get much more benefits and the much more things in the profit center they got. But if we will go through the difference between what is business area and what is the profit center, then your confusion will be cleared about that. If you will go through that business area and the profit center difference between. So in the Indian business, you will see they will use the business areas. In the Indian or domestic client, you will see. But in the international, 5 to 7 projects I work, but I have never seen they are using the business area. So let's go to the system and do the configuration how we can create a business area, and in how many way we can create the business area. So business area we can create, as usual I told you that whatever we are creating, we can create in two ways. Number one is we can create through the transaction code that is called in the business area creation. Business area creation is OX03. Otherwise, we can come through the path that is called SPRO. Once again, I am coming here. In the T code command field, you will give SPRO, then SAP reference IMG. After that, you will come to the enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting. Then you will come here. You can see the define business area. If you want to read the document, what the SAP notes has given or SAP has explained, what is business area, you can click on this document, session part, and go through all those things. Each and everything you will get in this information. So, while you are creating a business area, click on IMG activity, or this is the clock sign or the execute symbol we are telling here. Just execute it, then this screen will come. So simple, what you have to do here, click on new entries, because you have to create a new business area for your company code. So we are creating, click on new entries, then I'm giving my business area name is Q200. As compared to my company code, I kept all those variant names same to remember properly. If we are using the different names, then it is difficult to remember. So in the live project, we will not give those names according to us. We have to depend upon the client. Whatever the client was telling to give the entity's name according to their client's requirement and client's approval, we will give those names. So in the description, I am giving Q200 business area. Then just after giving all those things, just click on save. So here it is coming to all-time zero standard company. Under this transport request, I have to save all those things. In the previous classes, I have told you that explain you multiple times why I am using the same transport request and stored whatever the configuration under one transport request. So this here you can see that data was saved. Just simple click on map and come, go to the position and Q200 and press enter. You can see here business area is created. Then come back. The second topic is maintain consolidation business area. What is consolidation business area? The consolidation business area is nothing but it comes under the business area. Why it comes under the business area? As I previously gave example while explaining you the business area, the company code you have created in a state Odisha and under that different districts you are using the business area. In a district there is a number of cities, villages, towns and there. If you want to expand your business in different cities under that district or town or villages, then in that case you can design your system under that business area. You can create multiple consolidated business area. So that particular consolidated business area should be assigned to a particular business area which comes under that company code or according to your configuration. So business area is not assigned to any company code, but consolidated business area is assigned to that particular business area. Consolidated business area is assigned to the particular business area. Multiple consolidated business area can be assigned to one business area. And as I previously told you that we can do that mandatory by getting that option in OBY6, the transaction code. If you will click on that OBY6 transaction code, just I am showing you that. OBY6. Just I am opening any of the company code. You can see here business area financial statement. If you will click on this, then the system will ask you to give the business area. If you are not getting this option, you are not enabling this option, then the business area will not able to ask you to give the business area. So this option we have to, if you are using the business area, if you don't want to use the validation rules or you have not given in the profit center, you have not assigned that given that profit center business area under that profit center, then you can click this, the system will ask you to give the business area and you can get that report according to that company code. Profit center, how we can assign the business area or how we can maintain the business area? We should not tell that we will assign the business area in the profit center. We have to maintain that business area in the profit center. At the time of creating profit center, I will explain you that. Okay, so consolidated business area, consolidation business area is an accounting organizational unit that represents a central business segment within a business organization and that has a balance sheet which can be included in business area consolidation. If the business area is defined in the company, then it's mandatory to assign business area to consolidation business area. What this sentence was telling here? If the business area is defined in the company, then it's mandatory to assign business area to consolidation business area. Only requirement for the assignment is the business area and consolidated business area should be predefined. More than one business area can be assigned to consolidate business area. It means what? If the consolidated business area and the business area, this configuration you have done, so definitely you have to, it is a mandatory to assign the consolidated business area to the consolidated business area to that particular business area to get the financial report. Because previously I told you that business area works as a separate entity. we can use that business area as a separate entity. But to get the financial statement, definitely we have to use at the time of doing the transactions under a particular company code. And how we will do that mandatory field? One option I have given you, and another two options when we will do and go ahead for the new configuration at the time of doing the profit center creation. And when we will go through the validation topic, I will explain you that. So consolidate business area, if you want to do the consolidate business area, the same thing you can go through the two ways. One is path and another one is the transaction code. The path is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. And if you want to see the company code, which transaction code we are using, credit control area, which transaction code we are using, just go to the additional information and come to the display key and IMG activate. Just click on this and expand this one. The last four digit is the transaction code. To create the maintain consolidation business area is OCC1. To read the documentation, you can go through this and click on this execute option. So the same thing, you can do it, go to the new entries and give the consolidation business area. Just I'm using the same name, Q200, and the description I am giving Q200 consolidate business area. Just click on save. So here our consolidation business area is created, and if you will go to the position, then you can check Q2 all time 0, then press enter. You can see here our business consolidation business area is created. When we will do all the assignments with the company code, at that time I will show you how the consolidation business area is assigned to the particular business area. I distribute the topic, kept the assignment topic as a separate. If you want to see that individual, and at a time we can in a one screen we can do the assignment, that's why I kept that topic as a different part. All the configuration done, then the separate topic I have designed that for the assignment part. It is much more easy to understand that. So I hope you have understood what is business area and what is the cause of creating the business area, and what is consolidation business area, and what is the cause of creating the consolidation business area. Any questions regarding this?
No.
Okay. So another one topic is what is posting period variant. So posting period variant is nothing but as we are using the particular fiscal year. In a particular fiscal year, the fiscal year is divided into three parts. As we previously discussed, in that fiscal year configuration time, one is calendar year, another one is non-calendar year, and the last one is the shortened fiscal year. So I am giving you example for this, the calendar and non-calendar year. So calendar and non-calendar year, there are total number of periods, there are 12 periods, and 4 special periods are there. Just keep those things as a separate. So the total 4 special periods as a separate. So we are using the Indian company. For this domestic company, our company code is in India. So domestic company code, we are using our fiscal year start from April to March. So here April month I have given so it's the end in March. So April as a calendar year, if you will see here, I am giving you calendar year, and this one is on calendar. So calendar year, if you will go through the calendar year, so April month comes under the month fourth month. Then this one is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and January comes here 1. Then it's come 2, then 3. So if we are using as a India, our fiscal year is April to March. The system will not take if you are giving click on that calendar year, then system will take it April as a 4th month. We are using non-calendar year, so we have to tell that the system April is the first period till March is a 12th period. If we are using the 4 special period, then it will come 13, 14, 15, 16. If we are not using means not, we definitely have to use those special periods. There is maximum 4 special periods are there. It depends upon the client how many special periods they are using for the month-end activity or the year-end. Sorry, month-end activity not. This is a year-end activity. They have to use those things. So for the posting period, we have to maintain a posting period variant describe the specification for a posting period. For example, beginning and end. When we have to start and when we have to end. Each company code refers to exactly one variant. Means definitely one company codes under one company code we have to assign one posting period variant. Otherwise the system will not allow you to post those transactions. Why the system will not allow you to post those transactions? Because the system doesn't know in which period or which month the user wants to post that transaction. Therefore, as many company code as you require can use the same variant. Multiple company codes can use one posting period variant, but one company code doesn't use the multiple posting period variant. Got it? I hope if you are talking, you are in a mute, I hope.
Once again.
Yeah. The posting period, I told you that one company code should use one posting period variant, but multiple company codes can use one posting period variant. Because if multiple posting period variant is assigned to one company code, the system will not allow to assign. But if you will see that if you will assign to one company code, then the system will be confused which posting period from the particular period the system will use at the time of the transaction. So for one company code, one posting period we can use, but for multiple company code we can use one posting period. So now I am going to create that posting period. Yeah, tell me anything. Are you telling anything?
No.
Yes. Okay. So to create the posting period variant, I have to come. Just I'm coming from the beginning. I'm coming to the path SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Then the enterprise structures, whatever we have done, the configuration has been finished under the financial accounting. Okay, so enterprise structure configuration is finished. I am coming down. Here is the financial accounting. Financial accounting. Then financial accounting global settings. Then ledgers. Then you will find here fiscal year and posting periods. Just drop down this one. The same if you want to see the transaction code, you can follow this same process to display the transaction codes. Here, define variants for open posting periods, that is OBBO. Just click on this execute option and go to the new entries. New entries, I'm giving you that Q200. So Q200 posting period variant. Just click on save. The data is there and just come back. Go to the position and check Q200. You can see here that Q200 posting period variant has been created. So After creating this, open and close posting period is there. So open and close posting period, whenever, if you will go to Q200, just click on this, just I am to get you the knowledge, I am explaining you this one, but I will not configure this one. After doing the assignment, I will come through the processes. No interest found in this match selection criteria. It is not coming here. Okay, just I am taking another one because it is not assigned to any other company code. Just I am taking this one. Yeah. So you can see here how do those under this posting period, how they have maintained it. 1 to 12 posting period, all the 12 periods has been opened. 13 to 16, those 4 special periods has been opened. So, and plus ADKMS. What is the plus and ADKMS? So, under that posting period, if you will go through that, you have to be also assigned that one is first one is the plus. Is a symbol, that's right. It's not coming. I have given you that command, therefore mark. And it is A, D, K, M, S. Plus is for, plus sign symbol is for all accounts. If you are not creating this one, not assigning this one, then you are not able to post any other accounts. A is for SA. D is for customer. Any customer transactions you are doing. K is for vendors. M is for materials. S is for GL accounts. Another one, I hope it is there. Just a minute, let me check on that. K, yeah. V is the contract account, the last one. V is the so this one only for the knowledge purposes I have given you, just overlook into it, because after the assignment with a company code, then we can go through all those things deeply. So what is posting period? I have given you what is calendar year and what is the period why we are maintaining. I have explained you here. But keep eye on this, but don't go through it deeply. Whenever we will do the transaction, I will explain you that why we have creating this one and what we are creating this one. Just yeah, posting period. I have told you this one. So we have successfully created that posting period variant here. Then the rest of the things like chart of account creation, account group creation, in the next class we will perform all those things. So regarding these 3 topics, what I have explained you, business area, consolidation business area, then posting period variants, anything else you want to ask regarding this or any questions you have, whatever is coming in your mind, you can ask me the questions. There is no such questions you have? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.